What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Happy New Year's, ladies and gentlemen. It's New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2024, here in the great state of New York. Earlier today, I'm just keeping it real. Earlier today, someone at US Boiler tried to screw me right in the keister. They sure did. You're not going to want to miss this Tankless Combi install featuring the US Boiler Burnham Alta. Let's go! No worries. I was going to scope out everything. So you're right, Daniel. There is no circulator. I don't know how they get away with this. There's no circulator. Crazy, huh? Yeah. 2 zones. Sprinkler fire suppression system. 2 zones and no circulator, just zone valves. Is there what?
Like a manifold?
Heating supply, heating return, domestic hot water, domestic cold water. Thing's been leaking for a while, by the way. Gas goes straight down into the ground floor crawl space, which is like 9 feet tall. You know what? I think we'll just keep the existing plywood. Make life easier for us. All right, so this is a return. That's a return. And supply. Not too shabby. We'll turn off the water in the crawl space. Drain everything down and we'll hook them up. Crazy.
PVC.
Yeah, it's fire suppression. Yeah, it's a special pipe. All right. There it is. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's get the show on the road. Our supply, return, domestic hot, domestic cold, right there, return, supply, return, supply, venting. And I kid you not, US Boiler, you really effed me on this one. See that model serial number? Guess what's missing in this box on New Year's Eve? Want to take a wild guess? Do you guys want to take a wild guess? What wasn't there in the box to connect this? You want to take a wild guess? That's missing. All right, 11:45. There is the Burnham Alta wall-hung combi.
Okay.
We'll start at the top. We replaced the vent pipe, which was concentric venting in 3-inch, which was the intake and the fresh and the exhaust going out. We replaced it with a 2-inch concentric vent kit. Got that from Ferguson. My boy Asher and Limbrook hooked us up. Not too shabby. Bottom, we have the US Boiler Supply, the low loss header for our space heating side. Left there with a couple 45s, went into the spiral vent, an 1.25-inch press. Picked up my first zone with that 1.25 by 1-inch Viga Press T. Came across my first Taco circulator. 0015E. This is an ECM circulator. Ultra efficient. It's the equivalent of an LED light bulb in compared to a incandescent bulb. Threaded rod, 3/8, split ring, hanger, and wall plate. There's our supply. Other supply goes here. Same setup, up, across. Here's our wiring, low voltage wiring for our 2 thermostats. And we also gave him a common wire because he's got nests on the 1st and 2nd floor. Amtrol number 15. Not too shabby. Very nice. Neutralizer for the condensate and going into the existing trap and standpipe and Someone even put a Pro Vent on there. Isn't that so nice of them? Easy peasy. Now, I can't close this video without speaking on why Pipe Doctor Home Services loves to install the US Boiler Burnham Alta, and the reason why I love them as well. And this video is not sponsored by US Boiler. Number one and number two, 5-year parts warranty, 12-year warranty on the heat exchanger. We have a universal vent connection for CPVC, PVC, or polypropylene. You know, that, that stuff. What's that stuff called? Centrotherm. Damn, I just lost my train of thought there for a second. We have the world's first 10-to-1 gas adaptive combi boiler. 10-to-1 turn down rate. And we have virtually instantaneous domestic hot water response time, and which is available for domestic hot water in economy, comfort, or recirculation modes. We have a 10-to-1 turn down ratio on the domestic water. And what's most important, which I love, is that I can hook up 2 hydronic zones to the boiler controls, both for pumps and zone valves, without having to add an external relay, up to 2 on a combi boiler only. Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below, guys. And Stoli, hi. Do you like the US Boiler Burnham Alta? I think he does. GG, what about you? Do you? Yeah. Catch you the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.